minutes. I don't know how long that cow survived. We got Emma on board today as crew, and Clara is watching the views in front, and I'm trying to be a good captain. This is Malou, sailing somewhere on the seven seas. And this is me, her captain, trying to steer her out into the unknown to be able to find that one very special spot. Consider subscribing and welcome on board. Just imagine waking up in northern Norway, getting out of bed, getting your clothes on, getting out of your boat, and having this view. Yeah, that's a view. Henning Square is this island that's located just on the south part here on Lofoten. The island itself is just really flat, so there's no real like mountains or anything like that on the actual island. But then, as you can see, as soon as you come to the mainland, it's just crazy, ridiculous mountains everywhere, like a big wall just saying, "Hi, welcome to Lofoten," kind of. I guess there's supposed to be a really nice archipelago around Henning Square here as well. I guess this whole range of mountains here is what they call the Lofoten Wall, kind of, something like that. In the summertime, Henning Square is supposed to be this super popular summer paradise where all the young people go to party and work for the summer and all that kind of stuff. But right now, in October, it's really calm. Like, you can't really tell that it's been tons of people here in the summer. Just really soothing and nice. And there is still, you can definitely tell that it's been like a fishing village. They get these old buildings and then they tore down a lot of stuff to be able to build new stuff, because this place has become popular quite recently. That is where I'm heading today, about 600 meters up in the air. Festvågtind. Gonna walk on these big boulders up to this ridge and then follow up to, I think it's this peak right here. Blueberries. I have finally reached some fresh snow right here. Getting closer to the top. Oh, damn it. Not the actual top. Keep following the ridge. It's not far though. Now it's time to finally reach the actual top. Whew. There we go. It's a little bit snowy and icy and slippery up here, so gotta be a little bit careful, because the fall down would be quite devastating, I guess. Oh yeah, I'm definitely having some butterflies in my belly right now, but there you go, Henning Square, just overlooking the peak of Lofoten. Yesterday I was sitting outside of this cafe down in Henning Square together with my friend Clara, and there came out this guy from the cafe just asking, like, they were gonna close, so he's just asking, do you want some vanilla buns for free? We're like, yeah, sure. So that's what I'm feasting on right now. getting some extra sugar and energy for the challenging down climb later on. It seems like there's some rain or snow or something like that approaching from the east, so I better head down. Wish me luck. Just a fun fact for y'all. This little place that I got behind me right here, it's called Festvåg, which means party wave in English. Just left Henning Square, which is somewhere over here. Got this little lighthouse right here, which there was once upon a time there was supposed to have been a cow actually walking around here, but there's actually no grass really on the island, so I don't know how long that cow survived. We got Emma on board today as crew, and Clara is watching the views in front, and I'm trying to be a good captain. I hope I'm succeeding. I have only been sailing alone for a month, so this is a little bit strange, but very nice. Very nice to have some crew. Yeah. First time taking down the main. Okej, och nu börjar det liksom dra i de här svarta grejerna där, så att de liksom ja, men staplas på rad liksom och kommer väldigt nära varandra där nere. Så det var, ja, men bara dra ner helt enkelt. Doing perfect. Sail is ending up in here in the lazy jacks. No problem at all. Nice. No, it's actually a little bit hard with these like runners here because they stack so high. So if you're a little bit shorter, it's not that good. It's perfect. Good work, Captain. Nice steering. We made it to Svolvær here on the just very end kind of Lofoten, and I left Emma and Clara. They were hitchhiking back to Henning Square, so now I'm unfortunately on my own again, and I'm gonna make a little bit of lunch right now, walk around a little bit in Svolvær, and then I'm gonna sail another 5 miles out to an island which looks very nice. A lot of high mountains around there, so really looking forward to that place. Svolvær is like the biggest town on Lofoten, more or less. A little bit seen as the capital of Lofoten. I heard that not everybody agrees with that, but if you want to go to a place in Lofoten that has more or less everything, then it would be Svolvær for sure. Very famous for climbing center and everything like that. If you want to go hiking and go on tours, or that's definitely centered here around Svolvær. It's just close to a lot of amazing nature basically. So here you have the entrance to the famous Raftsundet, which has in this area the very famous Trollfjord. A lot of people going there with speedboats and everything. I'm going to this island right now, more specifically this part. This is Stormollan, I think it's called, this island. It's pretty high. You can see on the tops here it's covered with snow and everything. So this island could possibly be a really nice place to go just touring with skis and everything during winter time. And the place I'm heading to here is called Brettesnäs. It's actually a little bit sad to be leaving Henning Square behind. I don't know, I think I was there for like 3 or 4 days, but in that time I just managed to meet a lot of really nice people and experience a lot of nice stuff basically. And so far on this trip I haven't really met that many people and hang out with that many people, to be honest. So this was like the first really interaction with a lot of people at the same time, more or less, and it was really nice getting back to just, I don't know, just normal life in a way, kind of. So it makes me a little bit sad to be leaving that, but I mean I'll pretty soon be in Tromsø, so that's gonna be good as well. Looking forward to that. Bye bye Henning Square. See you some other day. breathlessness, everybody. Got the dock right over here. Really small place, but I think the dock looks really good. Actually, it looks like one part of it looks really new and nice, so it's probably gonna be good. Oh. Welcome to Breathlessness. They even got electricity here. That's nice. Then I can keep the boat warm and dry during the night.